Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tip, Tricks and Tech. Today we're going to change the wiper on our Model X because of the heavy snow. One of my passenger side wiper flew off, so I bought this from Tesla. You cannot find anywhere else. It's not like Model 3 or Model Y. This one has I'll show you, this one has a special if you come closer, if you look at it, there's like a windshield wiper fluid pipe on it, like a hose. You have to connect it, so there's nowhere you can buy except from Tesla. So make sure you gotta get it from Tesla. This will cost you about $35 on that. So let's go and change the wiper here. It's an easy process. You just have to make sure that the pipe has to connect to the pipe inside. Also, before you change it, you know that you have to go inside the car, put a service mode on, put the wiper service mode on, so that means you can freely move anywhere. So to change the wiper, there's like two tabs on both sides. You just have to squeeze it in, and then you just have to kind of force it, and it will come off like this. So that will come off, and then see this thing? This is the hose that you have to connect it. So you take out the hose from there. You can move the tab like that, and then this is the hose. So make sure you take out the hose. So the hose is off. Okay. So now let's take our wiper, new wiper. So this is our hose. So this will go like this. So first you connect the hose. Make sure it's a tight fit. Okay, that's a tight fit. And then you can move this. This is like a hose securing tab. So you can do that. Then you come here, just align it, and you just simply push it in. Okay, see, so that's in, and the tab is in. So make sure everything is in. There you go. That's pretty much it. So let me turn on the wiper and then show you how it performs. Okay. Okay, so let's check it out if wiper is performing good. So close the door, get in. So guys, that was a success. Look at the wiper, it worked flawlessly. I put some windshield wiper fluid in it. It works and we wiped perfectly. So it's it's very easy to change, 2 minutes thing, but the only thing is you have to buy from Tesla, and it costs you about $35 for one. So a pair is like about $70 bucks. So I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, definitely give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, consider subscribing. I'll be coming up with another video, something tech or tip or even tricks. So till then, it's me Aldo signing off. Bye bye.